Unlock the secrets hidden in your time tracking data by mastering Clockify's powerful reporting features. First, navigate to the Reports tab on the left-hand side of your Clockify dashboard. This is where the magic happens. Clockify offers several report types. Let's start with the Summary Report. This gives you a high-level overview of time tracked across projects, users, and tags. Now, let's customize. Use the filters at the top to narrow down your report by date range, specific projects, users, clients, and even tags. Experiment with these filters to see how they affect the data. For a more granular view, switch to the Detailed Report. This shows individual time entries. It includes all details: start time, end time, descriptions, everything. Ready to export your masterpiece? Click the Export button. Clockify lets you choose from several formats like CSV, PDF, and Excel. Pick the one that best suits your analysis needs. Once exported, open the file. Now you can slice, dice, and analyze your time tracking data to identify bottlenecks, optimize workflows, and boost project efficiency. So, take control of your time, master Clockify reports, and watch your productivity soar. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more Clockify tips and tricks. #Clockify reports #data analysis.